What makes Mimosa Hostilis root bark one of the most talked about botanical materials in the world? From its fascinating history to its unique natural properties, here are 10 facts about MHRB that you should know. Let's get started. Fact number 10. It comes from a remarkable tree. Mimosa hostilis is a resilient tree native to parts of Brazil and Mexico. It thrives in challenging environments and is known for its ability to regenerate quickly after droughts and environmental stress. Fact number 9. The root bark is the most valued part. While the tree contains leaves, branches, and flowers, the root bark has attracted the most attention due to its unique botanical composition. This is why it is commonly referred to as MHRB. Fact number 8. It has a long traditional history. For generations, communities in certain regions of Latin America have recognized Mimosa hostilis as an important part of traditional knowledge and cultural practices. Its historical significance continues to interest researchers and botanical enthusiasts today. Fact number 7. The tree produces beautiful flowers. Mimosa hostilis is known for its delicate, white, fluffy flowers that bloom in clusters. These flowers not only add visual appeal, but also help make the tree easily recognizable. Fact number 6. It is rich in natural plant compounds. Researchers are interested in Mimosa hostilis because of the variety of naturally occurring compounds found within the plant. These unique characteristics make it a subject of ongoing botanical study. Fact number 5. The bark has a distinctive color. Freshly processed Mimosa hostilis root bark often displays deep reddish purple to brown shades. Fact number 4. It is used worldwide. Although native to Latin America, MHRB is now known across many countries. Researchers, manufacturers, and herbal enthusiasts around the world continue to show interest in this remarkable botanical. Fact number 3. Sustainable harvesting matters. Responsible harvesting practices help protect Mimosa hostilis populations and support long-term environmental sustainability. Quality suppliers focus on ethical sourcing and proper cultivation methods whenever possible. Fact number 2. Processing plays a key role. After harvesting, the root bark is carefully cleaned, dried, and processed. Proper handling helps maintain consistency and quality throughout the production process. Fact number 1. Interest in MHRB continues to grow. Today, Mimosa hostilis root bark remains one of the most widely discussed botanical materials online. Its combination of history, unique characteristics, and ongoing research continues to capture global attention. Those were the top 10 facts about Mimosa hostilis root bark. Which facts surprised you the most? We are Orbo.